Hey guys, welcome back. And I got another video for you from Volusia County, Florida. It's like a weekend review on patrol with those officers. But before we get started, yesterday I put a video up about this guy, the world's best charter boat captain. Well, an update to you, he's actually been charged and he's actually looking at further charges from the FWC and possibly federal charges from the Coast Guard. So as soon as I find out some more information about this captain, I will let you know. But anyway, let's get back to Volusia County. Out on patrol with them, these guys, I tell you what, this is one place you don't want to go around and fuck around and find out in, because Volusia County, their sheriff deputies truly mean business. So let's go ahead and take a look at those videos.
Disclaimer: persons depicted in this video are presumed innocent until proven guilty in court of law. This video is for educational and news purposes only. All information has been supplied by law enforcement agencies and is considered by law to be public domain information. Body-worn camera footage has been edited for length and in accordance with YouTube community guidelines while maintaining a journalistic focus.
Deputy LaVenture with the Sheriff's Office. The reason I stopped you is your tag is not assigned to this vehicle. Yeah, if you have the registration. Did you see my lights behind you?
Wait,
did,
to explain myself.
Okay.
When we were driving, like, an officer did the same thing. I guess something was going on because he went around us. That's why I got out your way, because I thought you were trying to go around you.
Okay, gotcha.
That's all that is?
Do you have your driver's license on you?
I don't have one anymore.
You don't have a license, or you don't have it on you?
I don't have it on me.
Okay, is your license valid?
Yes, ma'am. I don't
Alrighty. What's your first name?
My name is Travis Robinson.
Travis?
Yes.
Do you have a middle name?
Eugene.
And Robinson is common spelling?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What's your birthday, Mr. Robinson?
It's January 1st,
January 1st, what year?
1990.
1990?
Yes.
Okay, and so when I run the tag, I understand you have the registration right here, but the thing is, when I run the tag, oh wait, where'd it go? It's coming back as it's been replaced.
Yes.
The tag's been replaced with a different tag, and
So when she bought the car, it was kind of like a sketchy dealership. They didn't really know what they was doing. So when she got her registration, they called her and they was like, "We made you another tag," and we like, "Why you made her another tag for?" And
That one.
well, then that's an issue, because this tag does not come back to your car. It doesn't come back to anything. Yeah. It took them a really long time to stop, so that's why I was like, okay, kind of weird. No, well, the car is registered. It's just that tag is not assigned to it, and they got it from some sketchy dealership in Orlando, and the dealership texted, the RO is the passenger, the dealership texted her a new registration that's not this one with that plate, texted her and said, hey, this is your new registration, you can print this picture out.
the one that was over here, I can speak to you for a second. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna be honest, like, I don't have no, like, my license kind of messed up right now, and we've been driving out, like, she been driving all day doing Uber, and she got tired. We were just trying to make an extra $20. That was it. I'm gonna be honest, I gave her the wrong information because I was nervous, but I'm really a good guy. We were just trying to head back home literally right now. If you guys could, I just really appreciate if you guys just, like, please let us, like, just let me slide this one time. It would never happen again, but it's just, I can show you.
What's the right info?
This is what it says: effective habitual traffic offender revocation for 5 years, effective.
Yep.
So he's habitual right
yep.
now. Okay. Mr. Go ahead and step out of the car for me. And turn around, put your hands behind your back, okay?
Taser deployment.
Stop.
Taser deployment.
Give me your hands. Give me your hands.
Put your hands out. You want to get it again.
I'm not a bad guy, sir.
Well, you ran and you got a felony charge. Now you got even a worse charge.
I'm sorry, sir.
Sorry doesn't count right now.
You have not been honest with me from the start.
We'll take care of it in a second, right?
I feel like I'm about to pass out.
Okay, well, we have rescue coming.
Oh my God.
You just fucked yourself over.
I'm sorry. I got scared. Sir, ask you questions, please.
In a minute. Catch your breath. Calm down. You'll be fine. You all right? You're not hurt at all?
A little bit.
What's hurting you?
It's my back.
Well, you got probes in your back. But it should subside, okay? It's not going to sit there and hurt forever. Believe me, we've got tased before. I know how it feels. It don't feel good.
And I'm just keep it real with y'all. Like, I understand y'all, like, the job y'all do is very dangerous. You gotta be like that with people. But the God honest truth, I'm not a bad person.
I'm not saying you are. You just made a bad decision, right?
That's all.
That's all it is.
A hard lesson learned.
One Ocean 19 Central, copy traffic stop on that vehicle.
Ocean 19?
Yeah, we're westbound over the South Causeway. Same tag, white passenger car, Nissan.
Yeah, I copy.
He's 12F. 12F over the South Causeway.
Okay, it's registered to juvenile detention, I believe.
Yep, 12F. I'm gonna shut it down.
1 Bravo 10 Central. No pursuit. Sticks are on first.
Copy.
He's going off the shoulder of the road, going around me, and signal forward.
Copy.
1551.
Ocean 19, what's the location?
All right, we're gonna have all 4 lanes of traffic shut down. We're gonna be just east of Live Oak and the North Causeway. Hey, get away from the car! What's he doing?
Do you need medical or?
Yep, there's a car that's flipped over, and there's about 4 or 5 other cars involved.
9 Alpha 16 coming on scene.
Hey, where's he at? Is there somebody in the car? Is there somebody in the car?
Copy.
Airbag deployment on the white Nissan. Male unconscious. Sir! Sir, can you hear me?
He's an elderly female.
Hey, you got anything on you? Hey. Yeah.
Copy.
He went, so I completely shut it down. He went around all the cars, and the next thing you know, as soon as I'm peeking over the bridge, I see this as I'm coming over the bridge.
You need a backboard?
Yeah.
Yes, full speed's 100. Very, very low traffic. No cars in front.
42 Fallbrook and Doyle. Thanks for authorized. WC1 Central, we're not going to go to 1031 on those guys with what we know at this time. Central.
Okay, I'm braking off. He's coming around the curve. Probably coming up to Saxon here in a second. I'm braking off. He's about 80 miles an hour.
Deep in that garage breeze, I'm pretty sure it's it. It's got a grayish bumper.
Let's go see. Come on. Come on. Come here. Huh? Okay. Come on. Come here. All right. Sheriff's Officer Canine, and I'll start now, or I'll send the dog and you'll be bit. Sheriff's Canine, announce yourself or you're gonna get bit. Find the pocket. Here. Moving up. Somebody come up here. Somebody. Just make sure we're watching the stairs. No. Hey, just check that real quick. Find a blocking. He's right here. He's right here. Hey, get your fucking ass down. You're gonna get fucking bit. Get the fuck down right now. You're gonna get bit.
Get down right now. Get down. Get on the ground.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
On the ground. On the ground. On the ground. Now, on the ground. Right on the ground.
Get your face on the ground. Take him into custody. He's nice. Hey! Fly!
Well, better luck next time, Skipper. You can have a run, but you cannot hide.
Hey, Dennis, can you open that door? It's locked up top of me.
I think they've said it like 18 times on Facebook. We are
Coming out. Yes, sir.